Excellent!
Guys, this place is a terrible mess. You probably can't see too well behind me because it's in soft focus, but the garage has gotten very dirty over the past year. It is the end of November, beginning of December right now. 2018 is winding down, and I think it's a great time to do some cleaning, some organizing, and sort of preparing so that we can start 2019 off on the right foot, start fresh so we can be efficient and get lots of work done. So I am going to do a garage work log today where I clean stuff, and I'm gonna do some hopefully satisfying time lapses of a lot of stuff getting put away in its proper place, but I think I might need some help, some assistance for this task. Maybe even from somebody with a themed hat. A helper themed hat might be good. I don't know how many ways I need to ask him to step into the shot. Right?
Are you doing it?
That's what oh look, how convenient. It's Helper Joe Elf, here to help me clean. You're a bit tall for an elf, Joe. We have 3 goals today. 1, clean and organize. 2, break for sushi. 3, maybe some Christmas decorations. I like Christmas. So does Joe, obviously.
Right.
Dogs aren't helping at all, but we've made a lot of progress, haven't we, Joe?
Yes.
Joe's doing great. Done a lot of clearing out of stuff over here. We've only been working for about a little hour, maybe hour and a half. I got the test bed set up over there so I can have a little bit more space on the desktop over there so I can set up a Christmas tree. And then we've been separating the boxes that actually have like good useful hardware in them, which is all this stuff, from stuff that we can recycle. Just wanted to do an update. Everything is going swimmingly.
Swimmingly?
Swimmingly?
Swimmingly.
Swimmingly.
Right.
Okay. We're taking a lunch break. Scott's here. Scott, have you come to help me clean my garage?
That's the idea, yes.
Okay, cool. That's good.
Anytime, man.
The Radio and Technologies group is very good at keeping things clean
That's the idea.
and organized.
Filtering.
But let's have sushi first. That's not bad. Assorted sushi. This is a lunch special. Scott got the same thing.
Not really worth it.
All done. That was good. Okay, back to work. Finished lunch, so now we're shopping. Joe earlier was talking trash on the Mr. Coffee trash can. Talking trash, get it? So we are going to upgrade to a new one. This looks nice. What do you think of this?
What are you doing with stainless steel, Paul?
Stainless steel? These are super expensive. Look, this is a $65 trash can. That's way more than the Mr. Coffee box that I've been using for the past 3 years. Seems a little small. Here we go. 3-foot tree. Comes with lights.
What's over here?
Pre-lit. I mean, it's not RGB, but I've already got too much of that going on. Hold on, hold on. We have an RGB tree.
It's not addressable anymore.
What do we do? That's not addressable.
Not addressable RGB.
I don't know. I'm so torn. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the fixed all white lights, or do you like the RGB lights? I don't like anything that twinkles. I will tell you that. That one sucks. It's twinkling. Screw you. I don't like twinkling. Solid fixed lights. Right, Joe?
Sure.
Keep things classy. Shopping success. Joe got Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
Oh yeah.
We got the pivot lid trash can. Christmas tree, of course. And then we went with these lights for the background. Document the new trash can. Just hoping it peels off. Oh, good. I hate when it uses crappy adhesive. Gotta get the corner. That's better. Where do I put the trash? Oh, right in here.
Again.
Get the lid on for closure.
Now you want to be cool? There you go.
Good job, Joe. So much progress. Oh my God. Joe's dusting. I didn't ask Joe to dust. Just to be clear here, Joe is not forced to dust. He's doing it of his own volition.
You're such a liar, man.
Such a Joe, play the ukulele. I love AC/DC. Beautiful. The elf hat really added a lot of festive
Of course, Paul. That's the
flair.
reason I got it. Since I basically do a lot for you as is. I'm basically your helper.
I need a Santa hat.
You know, Santa has exactly. Perfect.
I don't have a Santa hat, but I do have the antlers.
Since Paul has a fuzzy face, he has some fuzzy antlers.
Matches.
Perfect. It matches.
Yeah, that's better. All right, we're gonna do the lighting of the tree. Ceremonial tree lighting ceremony here. Joy to the world.
Cool.
That actually worked, but.
Oh,
The tree's actually looking quite nice, I think. We've integrated some of our RGB lights in with the white ones. Then I had the idea to use the star, which is actually our Scrapyard Wars Season 5 loser trophy, even though we actually won technically. And then Joe dismounted it and put it up there, so we even got a star on top of the tree. Look how beautiful that is. Merry Christmas, everyone.
You know, since I started filming for Paul, he always told me to keep this out of like frame, but now he wants to film it.
I was kind of embarrassed at my Mr. Coffee trash can, but it's been my trash can for like several years now, so I thought we should say goodbye. Bye, Mr. Coffee trash can. Thank you for being a trash can. This one looks a lot nicer, though. All right, Joe, I think we have done a great job. Actually, you did most of the work, so thank you. I appreciate that. Table is clear. We can see the Gamers Nexus mod mat. I have a few things that are still out here. I want to do an upgrade to this table and add some pockets on the side and stuff for everything, but other than that, new trash can, yay! And we got our Christmas decorations up and running. I have also set up Arctic Panther to be a little bit more of a Christmas theme. I transitioned from fall now to winter. So we got white with the lights and everything else. So everything is beautiful and very festive, and that is going to wrap it up for this garage worklog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am feeling much more positive about the next few weeks and months working in an open and clean workspace. Also, a big reason why we're cleaning up out here is so we can set up for a charity live stream that I'm going to be doing with Kyle, aka Bitwit, on Saturday, December 8th. So it's going to be an all-day stream. We're going to go from about 10 a.m. here, local time in California, to about 10 p.m. playing lots of games and hopefully inviting some of you guys to play along with us. So stay tuned for that. We'll be tweeting about it and everything, links and all that good stuff. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.